Protein synthesis is the topic of this video. First, we need to talk about the three essential types of RNA. First, the mRNA, or messenger RNA, copies the instructions in the DNA. Second, the tRNA, or transfer RNA, carries the amino acid to the ribosome. And finally, the rRNA, or ribosomal, just creates the ribosome. Protein synthesis occurs in two major steps. One, transcription. This occurs in the nucleus and makes messenger RNA. And two, translation. This occurs in the ribosome and the final product is a protein. Transcription. The purpose, to carry the coded instructions out of the nucleus. It is to make messenger RNA, because remember, DNA never leaves the nucleus and proteins are made in the cytoplasm by the ribosomes, so that a messenger RNA takes these coded instructions to the ribosome to make the protein. What do you need to remember? Location of transcription is in the nucleus where the DNA is located. It begins with the DNA of the nucleus and it ends with the newly made messenger RNA. Transcription begins when the DNA splits and the complementary RNA base pair matches the corresponding DNA. The RNA is checked and the DNA winds back up, and then the messenger RNA is ready to leave the nucleus. Translation. The big purpose here is to follow the instructions in the messenger RNA from the DNA to make a protein. This occurs in the cytoplasm in a ribosome. Translation begins with messenger RNA in a ribosome and ends with a completed protein from amino acids. 4 terms you need to know. 1. Genetic code. These are the instructions for how to make proteins found in the DNA. A codon is a set of 3 nucleotides on the messenger RNA. An anticodon is the complementary base pairs found on the transfer RNA, and the amino acid is the building blocks to make the protein. Translation occurs in the ribosome. The codon is read on the messenger RNA. It's 3 base pairs. The transfer RNA then brings in the anticodon, and the amino acid is joined together by the polypeptide bond. The key is to know that messenger RNA tells you the amino acid. Let's watch as the process of translation occurs in the ribosome. The final product is all the amino acids joining together by polypeptide bonds to make a protein. These newly made proteins are sent to other places within the cell to be made into other things the organism needs, like enzymes to digest food or hormones to grow. That's all for today's lesson on protein synthesis.